Morning, folks. This is Fat Guy Flies. I'm going to wipe off the camera lens here. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park field and put the camera back on. We're going to be taking up the mini Apprentice. Let me show you a few things I've done. As you can see, there's lights on it. Look at that. I can see you got the red and the different color lights there. I just got them on solid. That way I can see them. I'm running a 1300 Zippy Lipo in her. Something else I've done is I've done away with the rubber bands. I got tired of the rubber bands breaking and having to replace them. So I made a mod that allows me to just bolt the wing on. I just kind of drilled through the wing, found some channels, some bolts, just some simple little nylon bolts that you use on model wings anyways, and made some hard points and just kind of took care of it. It was a messy job, but it works. Love them lights, boy, don't those look good at you coming at us. Looks like a alien spacecraft or something. I'll tell you right now, as far as airplanes go, as far as I'm concerned, this is probably the best trainer, maybe outside the Aero Scout, about one of the best trainers that you can buy. It really is. I mean, she'll just float right along. And because she's a beginner plane, you know, they have the rubber bands on there for a reason. That way, in case you do have a problem and you have a bad landing, the rubber bands will kind of take the impact, which will enable the wing to kind of, you know, the rubber bands will take the force, the kinetic force of that landing, and won't have as much damage to the plane, which is what you want. The last thing you want a beginner to do is to get disheartened and discouraged, you know. All right, there is the mini Apprentice. Like I said, now I do have safe, not enabled. I have safe installed, but not enabled. I'm just running A3X only, and this plane does not have unlimited vertical. I mean, she's not a rocket ship by any stretch of the imagination. We're gonna come at us. So here we go, full speed at us. Right by us here with that. There, that was full speed. So you can see she's not a super fast plane, which is good. You don't want your trainer to be super fast. You want beginning pilots to be able to have time to think about what they're doing. Here, a little touch and go there. I gotta tell you, I am liking this little wing mod I did. It seems to be quite solid. The only thing I really is just hot glue is everything I used. Boy, you gotta love that. Look at that. Yeah, them wings are holding on just fine. Do a nice flat turn, no problem.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Another flat turn. Get lined up with the runway here. Let's see if she'll get her back going this way. Yeah, she'll fly inverted, no problem. Yeah, inverted, no problem at all. All right. I tell you what, every time I fly inverted though, boy, it does get my heart pounded. It really does. Okay, let's see how much time we got. Got 1 minute and 20 seconds. All right. All right. There you go, folks. That is the, I think it's a Hobby Zone. Hobby Zone? I think that's the brand. Yeah, Horizon Mini Apprentice by Hobby Zone. Put out by Horizon Hobby. Well, anyways, there you go. Those lights are just some lights I found on Amazon. Yeah, hopefully I'll try to find a link and put it in the description. But that's it. Are you a happy bird? You're a happy bird. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.